Right, Reverend Abraham Nana Opare Kwate, a moderator at the Presbyterian Church of Ghana. What the photo ama a church for as a woman and Nasu and a banya ye papa Eddie Sansen so kufan kwada any mujina extra dear no, do not a show mu
Ebra Akyem Kyebi Presby College of Education eye wonhie mo etosudun sia ena moderator ya woda Presbyterian Church of Ghana no Right Reverend Dr. Abraham Nana Opare Kwate editor atwetwefo enim se odwuma wo ye no eyetu ho akyene ahofama senti onyere wo hunye ne yie se bayi a ehumasuye mo no edi nsunsanso pa ebebre oman Ghana twemu se eno ye pa atwetwefo beda no wadi ema adesuafo nsusua edi impunto eba.
Professor Chair, when you have gone through the type of education that the Presbyterian Church of Ghana offers, I know that society becomes comfortable with you and is ready to entrust the crucial role of serving as teachers and mentors for children and to train the next generation. I want to challenge you, the graduates of the day, to go out there and be faithful teachers and keep that role of a steward wherever your destinies may lead you to in the years to come.
And watching a principal here with Kyebi Presbyterian College of Education and no Reverend Charles Ofuswaya Akwa Eddie Adesre eto Fair Wages and Salaries Commission and him se woman into aban se achwetwefo asetena mu kankane Colleges of Education Teachers Association of Ghana on sakra mukura no onye ne yie se beye beboa ama achwetwefo enwan ha wo mu na adesua na de kyeren so akoso yie.
We also hope to train teachers in the second cycle schools in a catchment area in content and innovative delivery, so that the entry behavior of our fresh students receive improvement. We also hope to improve upon the infrastructure base of the college for future expansion. Requests. But with the sending of people community, we'll be very grateful if the people of Kyebi, it's unfortunate that Kyebi and his entourage are not here this morning. We are through this million game with the people of Kyebi to do all their possible best by changing our status from college of education to a university before the end of the year.